couple nights ago, I was scrolling Facebook Marketplace. I noticed the lady that's local to me had 4 Department 56 Snow Village pieces for sale. She was selling all 4 as a bundle for $75. Now, even though I already have one of the pieces, I thought it was such a good deal that I had to buy them. So I met with her yesterday. I picked them up. I thought the piece that I already have, I would offer to one of the 3 kids, and if none of them wants it, then I'll go ahead and list it on Facebook Marketplace myself and recoup a little bit of my money. So the one that I already have is Rock Creek Mill House. And now for the ones that I did not have. The first one is Last Stop Gas Station. I thought this one would go great in the farm section. I have the feed and seed that this will look nice next to. And then Fisherman's Nook Resort. This one would look good on the mountain. So I don't know, I might rearrange the mountain a little bit, or I just might put it somewhere else for this year. And then the one that I have been looking for, and this is the one that I really, when I seen it in the group of 4, I knew I had to get the group. I've been looking for this one for a while. Roller-Rama Roller Rink. So this one would look good in the city, and my city is kind of maxed out. So I think I might just go ahead and look around and see if I can move and adjust things and fit that one in. So this week I've had a really good expansion for the village. And at this point in the year, since I'm already working on it, I probably should not buy anymore. But that lady that I talked with, she had a huge collection that she was selling because they downsized. And she said that she had some Dickens, she had the North Pole series, and then she said she had more Snow Village. So she's already sent me one image of what she had, of some of them that she had, and I already had those ones, but she also said that she has more, so I might score some more, I don't know. But she did say that she has a whole bunch of trees and then some accessories. So that might be where I expand. If you build villages, you know, you like a lot of trees in it. They help hide so much.